How to contact Grubhub customer service. Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can contact Grubhub customer service. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. How to contact Grubhub customer service. If you want to contact Grubhub customer service, open your browser and type in Grubhub customer service, and directly you can actually email them at this email, which is help_me@grubhub.com. I repeat, help_me@grubhub.com, or you can visit their help center by tapping on this contact us link over there. And when you go to this Grubhub link, you can see the only way to contact them right now is via this particular email. So you can simply copy this email over here and tap on this email button, and you can just type in a general inquiry subject and compose the email with whatever else it is. So this way you can go ahead and then contact Grubhub customer service. Unfortunately, we do not have their number. As you can see, they do not allow their numbers to be received from anybody. So I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.